In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct a fit test using FitCheck Solo. So go ahead and open the app. As you can see from my last video, I already have study 1 made and it's already in the software, so go ahead and select open. We'll skip the sound check, and that brings us to the testing menu. You can see the little testing guy, his little icon up top. And first thing, you need to get the right subject in the database. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct a fit check using FitCheck Solo. So go ahead and open the app. As you can see from my last video, we already have a study in our database, so we can go ahead and click open. We'll skip the sound check. And now you're brought to the testing screen. So we're going to be conducting this test as if me speaking, I'm the one giving the command. Oh, that doesn't make sense. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct a fit test using FitCheck Solo. So go ahead and open the app. From the last video, I showed you how to make a study. So go ahead and click open. And this is going to bring us to our testing menu. And from here, you've started out with the unincluded test. So what that means is you will have on the Michael & Associates FitCheck earmuffs that came with a kit, and you'll be wearing those without any hearing protection. So the goal of this test is basically to trace the outline of your hearing thresholds. So what's going to happen is you're going to hear a pulsing sound once you start the test, and you use your mouse wheel to scroll down to decrease the level until you can just barely hear it. Then you left mouse click. For this test, we're going to go through 3 frequencies. Looks like I already have one done, so we'll only do 2 for this first demonstration. We'll start the test. So it's at 1,000 hertz, so I can hear it. I'm scrolling down until I can barely hear it. Then I left click. So I can hear it, I can hear it, I can barely hear it, left click. I can hear it, I can hear it, I can barely hear it, left click. So now 2,000 hertz, I can hear it, I can hear it, I'm scrolling down, I can barely hear it, left click. All right. So now we got through our unincluded test. Now's the time to put on your hearing protection, and then once that's on, you can go ahead and put back on those FitCheck muffs. And once you have those on, go ahead and click start. It's going to prompt you to give a 2-minute wait to let the earplug settle in and get the right fit. So if you have that correct, you can get through that. So the same thing as the unincluded test. I can hear it, so I'm scrolling down. I can barely hear it, left click. I can hear it, I can barely hear it, left click. Left click. Alright, scrolling down until I can barely hear it, left click. I can hear it, so I'm scrolling down. I can barely hear it, left click. Alright, last frequency. I can hear it, so I'm scrolling down. I can barely hear it, left click. Alright, so that completes the occluded part of the test. If you needed to repeat the occluded part or the unincluded part, just make sure you have the tab selected and you can click reset and it can take you back through so you can redo those frequencies. If you're happy with the test, you can click PAR report, and that is a personal attenuation rating, and this is going to show you how well your earplugs fit. So you can see here, this test passed. So basically, it's saying the maximum exposure that you can be exposed to is 107 decibels because it's giving you a 22 dB par, and from the threshold of 85 decibels, that's where the 107 comes from. So that's it. Thank you.